a bouquet of fidgets. In my opinion, it's better than a bouquet of flowers, you guys. Hey Princess Squad, it's T here, and I'm back with you with another DIY for Valentine's Day. And of course, we have to include our favorite fidget toys, but you can do this DIY with any type of trinkets that you like. We're going to be making a flower bouquet with cute trinkets in there. In our case, we're using fidget toys, but you guys could put anything you want in there, like chocolate, money's a nice gift, cute love notes, whatever your heart desires. But let's get started and make this cute Valentine's Day flower bouquet. You're gonna need some type of sticks. It doesn't have to be this one exactly. I got this at Dollar Tree. Tissue paper, poster board paper, glue sticks, and a hot glue gun, ribbon, these little treat bags here, and of course your trinkets, and of course tape. So first up, we're going to bag our items. You need your little baggie and of course your trinkets, but I want to play with some of these first. So let's listen for some ASMR. So first take your item. I'm gonna start with this heart, perfect for Valentine's Day. Open up your little baggie, but open it up upside down because you have to slip in the item. And just turn it my way so I can put it in here pretty. And you're just going to make it look nice in the front. And then tie it like so. Turn it around. It's gonna look something like this. Just make sure the front is nice and flat. And we're just gonna bag the rest. I'm gonna do this cute, colorful one. Okay, you guys, 2 down and 10 more to go. So we bagged all of them, and the next step is you're gonna take these sticks. You can use these or skewer sticks or whatever that you can find, even chopsticks. I got these at Dollar Tree, and you're gonna need tape, and we're going to take our fidget, and on the back of it, so the side that's not as pretty, you're going to flip it over, put your stick, and put a piece of tape there, and it's a fidget on a stick. Next up, we're gonna take this poster board and cut it in half. I'm just gonna take my paper, fold it in half, and like I said, cut it in half because we only need half of it. And then you're going to take your fidgets on a stick and place it on there. I'm doing the back layer, going to add a piece of tape, and then I'm going to do the layer on top of that and add a piece of tape, and so on. Gonna add some tape to secure it, and you should end up with something like this. Next, I'm going to fold the 2 flaps in the corner, kind of like at the bottom of a bouquet, and add 2 pieces of tape to secure it. You're gonna end up with something like this, but you're not done yet because you gotta add some tissue paper. This is just my preference. You don't have to cut these. I'm just gonna cut them so I can make smaller sheets of tissue paper. I'm just going to stuff the tissue paper in any gaps that I see on this bouquet, especially in the front and towards the back and anywhere in between. These extra sticks bother me, so we're just gonna cut the extra sticks. Next up, we're gonna add our ribbon. Going to use my hot glue gun and put 2 dots here and put my ribbon over it, and going to flip it over and make sure that it's nicely secured in the back with hot glue gun again. Then I went ahead and tied a bow, and I'm just going to hot glue that to the front, just like so. Next up, we're gonna write a cute message. We just need markers or pen and a piece of paper. Here, I'm just going to write a little note. You can write whatever you like, and go ahead and use the leftover stick that we cut off earlier and use our hot glue gun and glue it there so you can add your little message to your bouquet of flowers. Got our little message, and I'm just gonna shove this here. What do you guys think of my bouquet? Instead of a bouquet of flower, it's a bouquet of fidget. In my opinion, it's better than a bouquet of flowers, you guys. So, yes or no? Let me know if you love this or not. Alright, Princess Squad, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and leave comments down below of other DIYs you would like me to do. And don't forget to follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at princesssquad.official. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!